In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Pinterest to create engaging pins efficiently. Let's get started right from the beginning, making sure we cover each detail thoroughly for a seamless experience. First, open your web browser and head over to Pinterest's official website. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar Pinterest homepage, a vibrant space full of inspiring ideas and content. This is where creativity and organization meet, giving you the perfect platform to showcase your unique ideas. Once you're logged in and ready, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Create button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Pin. This selection is essential for initiating the creation process of your new pin. It's the first big step in making sure your content can reach a wider audience. The page that opens will offer you various options to personalize your pin. Begin by uploading the media you want to feature. This could be an image or a video, depending on the nature of your content. After your media is in place, it's time to add a compelling title. This is crucial, as your title is one of the first things people will notice about your pin. The description follows, and it's here where you can delve into more detail about your pin, engaging your audience with rich and informative content. Aim to be descriptive yet concise, highlighting the main points that draw interest and interaction. Once you're satisfied with your media, title, and description, scroll down to find the More Options section. This part allows you to further customize your pin's interaction settings. Here, you'll see the option to toggle on Allow People to Comment. By enabling comments, you open up your pin to community engagement, which can prove invaluable for feedback and building a relationship with your audience. It's a small step, but allowing comments can significantly enhance the visibility and interaction on your content. And with that, you're done. Just click through to finalize your creation, and voila, your entry into the Pinterest community is complete. This process not only helps make your creations accessible to a global audience, but also places you into a thriving community where inspiration thrives. Remember, each pin you create is a valuable piece of the larger story you're telling on Pinterest. And these steps ensure that your content is both engaging and easy to interact with. I hope this guide has demystified the pin creation process for you and made everything straightforward. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see all the amazing pins you'll create.